Hello students, today we will be discussing an important name reaction of organic chemistry, that is Cannizzaro reaction. It is the name reaction of aldehydes and ketones. Aldol and Cannizzaro reaction, they are generally studied together. In this session we will discuss the basic reactions of Cannizzaro and its mechanism, which are frequently asked in all the entrance exams. So let's start the Cannizzaro reaction. Now, what is the substrate in which type of molecules the Cannizzaro reaction takes place? So it takes place in aldehydes without alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogen. Now what is alpha hydrogen? If you have this group CHO, this is the functional group aldehyde, this is the alpha carbon, next is beta carbon. So if this carbon does not have any hydrogen, then in such aldehydes Cannizzaro reaction will take place. Now what is the reagent for this? We use concentrated alkali, that is you can use NaOH, you can use KOH, you can also use calcium hydroxide. So concentrated alkali is a reagent for it. The basic difference between Cannizzaro and aldol reaction is that aldol takes place in aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen, whereas Cannizzaro takes place in aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogen. Now what type of reaction is this? This is a disproportionation or redox reaction. Question is also asked on this, what type of reaction is it? So it is a disproportionation reaction or redox reaction. Disproportionation means the same species will be oxidized and reduced at the same time. So if you have to take two molecules of aldehyde, one will be reduced, another will be oxidized. Say we have RCHO. Here this R does not have alpha hydrogen. So in one case you have to take two molecules. In one case it will be reduced. So we have R, we have one carbon here. This is aldehyde, it will be reduced to alcohol. And another molecule will be oxidized to salt of carboxylic acid. So you will get RCOO minus. So number of carbon atoms will remain same. One of the product will be alcohol. The another product will be salt of carboxylic acid. This is the basic reaction of Cannizzaro. So in this reaction, the same molecule is being reduced to alcohol and the same molecule is being oxidized to salt of carboxylic acid. The reagent is concentrated NaOH or KOH or calcium hydroxide. Clear? Now see some examples of this Cannizzaro reaction. Don't change the number of carbon atoms in the product. If there is one carbon, the number of carbon atoms in the product will also be 1. So we have to take two molecules here. I will write with another pen. We have two molecules of formaldehyde. This is formaldehyde HCHO. One molecule will be reduced, another will be oxidized. So if you have one carbon here, the oxidized product will be HCOO minus and the reduced product will be CH3OH. So there is one carbon here, one carbon here. This is salt of carboxylic acid. This is methanol. This is salt of formic acid. Formic acid is HCOH. So you will get one salt of carboxylic acid and another one alcohol. Now see here, this is the functional group CHO. This is alpha carbon. On this alpha carbon there are no hydrogen. So it will undergo Cannizzaro reaction with concentrated NaOH. One molecule will be oxidized. So you can write in this way. One will be alcohol, another one will be salt of carboxylic acid. Here there are carbon atoms. Clear? Now coming to this is benzaldehyde. Now can you check whether there is alpha hydrogen or not? This is the functional group CHO. This is alpha carbon. On this alpha carbon 1, 2, 3 and one double bond is pi bond is also there. 4 bonds are complete. So there is no hydrogen on it. तो यहाँ पे hydrogen alpha hydrogen नहीं है. तो it will undergo Cannizzaro reaction in presence of concentrated alkali, you will get benzoate salt and you will get benzyl alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol. Clear? This is furfural. One molecule will be oxidized, another one will be reduced. Same reagent we have to use. So you can get CH2OH plus COO minus. Clear? So it is furoic salt of furoic acid and it is furfural alcohol. On this carbon there is no alpha hydrogen, so it will undergo Cannizzaro reaction. So these are some molecules which can undergo Cannizzaro reaction. You have to just check whether there is any alpha hydrogen present or not on alpha carbon. If there is no alpha hydrogen, it will undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Now let us check the mechanism of this reaction. We are starting with formaldehyde. You have added a base. Base contains OH minus ion. This bond is polar with partial negative charge on oxygen, partial positive charge on carbon. OH minus will attack on this negatively charged species, will attack on positively charged carbon. तो ये यहाँ पे अटैक करेगा and this pi electrons will move to oxygen. So what you will get HCO minus. There is H here and there is OH attached here. So this is the attack of nucleophile. This is the nucleophile here, OH minus, and it will attack at the positively charged carbon of the carbonyl group. Now in step 2 what will happen, this species that is formed, ये दूसरे molecule के साथ react करेगा. There is some other molecule which has not undergone this nucleophilic attack. And what will happen, this negative charge on oxygen, it will come back or it will return back. अगर ये वापस आएगा तो एक ग्रुप को बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा. The one of the group has to leave. Now which group will leave easily? This is a poor leaving group. So here hydrogen will leave along with the electron pair. तो ये हाइड्रोजन अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर लेके निकलेगा and it will attack on this carbon and this electron will move here. So this is the rate determining step of this reaction. See again, negative charge वापस आएगा. This hydrogen has to leave because carbon cannot form 5 bonds. तो hydride ion यहाँ से निकलेगा and it will attack the electrophilic carbon of the another molecule. तो यहाँ पे ये attack it is acting as a nucleophile. तो अभी क्या बनेगा, HC डबल बॉन्ड O, दिस हैज़ लेफ्ट, तो यहाँ पे आ गया OH प्लस what you get here HCO minus H and H. Now look here, this is a strong acid, this is a carboxylic acid strong acid, and this is a strong base, methoxide ion. So what will happen, there will be a proton transfer here. This will capture this proton and what you will get is HCOO minus plus C3H CH3, and this O has accepted this hydrogen CH3OH. So you have got the products of the reaction, that is salt of formic acid and methanol. So this is the overall mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. It is quite easy. 2 steps are there. First is the attack of the nucleophile. Second is hydride transfer. Hydride transfer होगा, एक acid बनेगा, एक strong base बनेगा. There will be a proton transfer between them and you will get the products. Rate determining step is this one. Now can you write the rate or order for this reaction? Rate will be equal to K. This is the rate determining step. In this 2 species are involved, SCHO and this is this species, but this is not the product of the final reaction or it is not the reactant, so you cannot include it in the rate determining step. So what you will do, rate will be is equal to K, as you generally do in the chemical kinetics chapter. जब एक ऐसा intermediate बनता है जो reactant नहीं है तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसे लिखते हैं in terms of the reactant. तो अगर इस स्पीशीज़ को रिएक्टेंट्स के टर्म में लिखोगे, यू हैव टू इन्वॉल्व दीज टू. सो व्हाट विल बी द rate? It will be twice OH minus. That means what is the order of the reaction? Order of this reaction is 3. This is a case when the concentration of OH is low. ये एक स्टेप है, एक मैकेनिज्म है जब कंसंट्रेशन लो है, मीन्स इट इज़ लेस देन 40%. बट व्हेन द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ OH is high, above 60%, then there is another route that is followed. Let us discuss that route. Okay students, when the concentration of OH is higher than 60%, what happens? See, it is in high concentration means more number of OH minus are present. तो पहला स्टेप तो सेम होगा, attack will take place, it will form this anion CO minus. यहाँ पे एक H है और एक OH. Again this is acidic H because it is attached to electronegative element O. तो अगर OH एक्सेस में है, if it is OH is concentration is high, it will abstract this proton and you will get this dianion here. Now what is the advantage of this dianion? ये एक बेटर हाइड्राइड डोनर है एज कम्पेयर टू मोनोएनायन. जो फर्स्ट केस में एक मोनोएनायन बनाता, दिस वन, इट इज़ अ बेटर हाइड्राइड डोनर. वाई? बिकॉज देयर आर 2 निगेटिवली चार्ज ऑक्सीजन. तो ये हाइड्रोजन अपने बॉन्ड पेयर को लेके इजीली रिमूव हो सकता है एंड इट विल अटैक अनदर मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ HCHO. The rest of the mechanism is same. It will attack here, but here dianion is formed. So there are 2 moles of OH involved, 2 moles of formaldehyde involved. So rate will be equal to K SCHO 2 OH minus twice. That means what is the order of the reaction? 4. So order is equal to, order of Cannizzaro reaction is 3 if concentration of OH is low, and if it is high then order is 4 if concentration is high. In this case, when the concentration is low, the hydride donor or the intermediate is HCO minus, H and OH, and if it is high, here you can have R group, and if it is high you have RCO minus, you have dianion as an intermediate here. So this is the overall mechanism. You can solve any question based on mechanism on the basis of this one. Now let us solve this question. You are given a reactant OH minus 50%. So whenever you have an alkali present with an aldehyde which does not have any alpha hydrogen, it is definitely will be Cannizzaro reaction. So you have to do Cannizzaro reaction here. तो ये हो जाएगा HCO minus D. Here we have taken deuterium. OH minus का अटैक कराना है. It will attack here. This electron will move here. So you will get HCO minus OH and D. Now this will attack on another molecule of this molecule HCOD. Now which bond will break? CH or CD bond? Now we know that CH bond is weaker than CD bond. CH bond weak होती है as compared to CD bond. तो which bond will break? This one. So this hydride will go taking its electron pair and it will attack this carbon. So what you will get? You will get DCO minus OH plus HCO minus, here you will get H and you will get D, and this is a negative charge here. This electron pair will come here and then it will move, so there is no negative charge here, double bond. Now you have got this. Now there will be a proton transfer between them. So what will be, this hydrogen will be shifted here. So what will be the product? DCOO minus plus CH2DOH. CH2DOH. This one. DCOO minus plus CH2DOH. तो यहाँ पर इस mechanism में whenever this Cannizzaro mechanism is taking place, the OH that is attacking, the oxygen will be present in, let me write here, oxygen will be present in carboxylate ion. Oxygen of OH minus will be present in carboxylate ion, and hydrogen will be present in alcohol. So if you are given OD, then you can easily write the mechanism, you can easily write the products. जो OH है या OD है, if you are taking OD here, NaOD, तो इसका जो D है that will be present in alcohol and the oxygen will be present in acid. So if you have labeled oxygen here O18, it will be present in acid and D will be present in alcohol. That you have to remember. That is a mechanism. So if you understand the mechanism, you can easily solve such type of questions. Now next thing on which question is asked is, which is a better hydride donor in Cannizzaro reaction. You cannot solve such questions if you don't know the mechanism of the reaction. So which is a better hydride donor? Hydride means hydrogen will leave. So suppose you have two species here. I am making this benzene C O minus H and OH, and another species, say this is C O minus H and OH. These are same. Here we have put an electron withdrawing group, here we are putting electron releasing group. So what will happen? Now this hydrogen has to leave taking its electron pair. This hydrogen has to leave taking its electron pair. So hydride transfer means, hydride donor means which can easily give its hydride ion, H minus ion. So H minus ion will be given by that species which is more electron rich. Means the species which can increase the electron density on this carbon will easily leave its H minus ion. So electron releasing group will increase electron density and removal of H minus becomes easier. So if you have these two species, say we have CHO, here I am putting NO2, and another species CHO, which is a better hydride donor. So there is no group but there is a electron withdrawing group here. It will decrease the electron density. Electron density decrease होगी तो hydride ion का transfer difficult हो जाएगा. So which is a better hydride donor? CHO. HCHO, if it is present with anyone, with any species or any molecule or any aldehyde that is possible in Cannizzaro reaction, it is invariably the best hydride donor. Sorry, this is a reactivity order. HCHO will be more reactive, means the OH minus attack will take easily on HCHO. Now if we are taking, say, this species, you have CO minus HOH, and you have this species CO minus H and O minus. Now here what is the difference? The difference is this, there it is a dianion, it is a monoanion. So यहाँ पे electron density high होगी because there are two negatively charged oxygen. Electron density high होगी तो removal of hydride ion will be easier. So which is a better hydride donor? Dianion is a better hydride donor than monoanion. If you place an electron withdrawing group, you have to remember, if you place an electron withdrawing group, it will become a poor hydride donor. If you are placing electron releasing group, it will become a good hydride donor. Now coming to the last of this session, this is a question asked in JEE. X is equal to number of compounds better hydride donor than this one. So you have to check which species are better hydride donor than this one. OH, दिस इज अ डाइएनायन, एक बेंजीन रिंग है, एक हाइड्रोजन है और दो ऑक्सीजन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज. नाउ सी हियर, दिस इज अ डाइएनायन, दिस इज अ डाइएनायन, ऑल आर डाइएनायंस. नाउ दिस इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप, this is a electron releasing group, this is also electron releasing group, but there is a plus M here, there is plus H here, and there is no hydride and hydrogen present on this carbon, so it cannot act as a hydride donor. यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए हाइड्राइड डोनेट करने के लिए, बट यहाँ पे कोई हाइड्रोजन नहीं है. So you have to decide between these three. Electron releasing group will be better hydride donors. Out of these two, plus M is more effective or dominant. So this better hydride donor. Okay, you have to tell better hydride donor. So CH3 and this one. So B and C are the answers. B and C. Clear? दिस इज ए इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी को कम कर देगा एज कंपेयर टू दिस. सो दिस इज ए पुअर हाइड्राइड डोनर. लास्ट क्वेश्चन इन ए कैनिज़रो रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट दैट इज बेस्ट हाइड्राइड डोनर. यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट बेस्ट. So dianion, check dianion. This is dianion, this is dianion, this is dianion. There is no group here. There is electron releasing group here. There is electron withdrawing group here. So which is the best hydride donor? C is the answer. So I hope you can solve all the questions based on mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction, hydride donor. In the next session, I will be discussing the cross Cannizzaro and intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. That's all in this session. If you like the video, please do subscribe it. Thank you.